This video will cover the statute that addresses driving on a bicycle lane. No operator of a motor vehicle may drive upon a bicycle lane unless operating under one of the following exceptions: when merging prior to turning at an intersection, or to enter or leave a parking space located adjacent to the bicycle lane. When operating under one of these exceptions, you must yield the right-of-way to all bicycles, electric scooters, and electric personal assistive mobility devices within that bicycle lane.